Santa came early and banned all the future foreign drones in the USA. The drone ban that we thought was gonna happen to only DJI and Autel is happening to every foreign drones and drone parts. Hi, my name is Farooq and let's talk about the drone ban that just happened in the USA. First, the good news, the drones that you already own, the drones that are already approved by FCC, that are already in Best Buy, B&H, and that are already in the market are here. They're not getting banned. There's no retroactive banning. The things we own are not getting bricked. So don't panic. We're good. The bad news is we will not be getting the future drones like Mavic 5 Pro, Mavic 6 Pro. All the future foreign releases, foreign drone releases, will not be available in USA. Now you may be asking, Farooq, why is this happening? Well, because FCC says foreign drones pose unacceptable risks to the national security of the United States. And you should just accept what that statement says and be very, very scared, like very scared. Like scared. Don't you dare use your brain. Don't think about it and ask me questions like, where's the proof? Didn't DJI ask to be audited and then they didn't audit? Or, but can't bad people do bad things with US drones anyway? Okay, who told you that you're allowed to use your brain? All you have to do is just repeat this. All foreign drones are an unacceptable risk to the national security of the United States. Just repeat that during Christmas dinner. Just repeat that all the time. Write it in the comments. That's all you gotta do. And now if someone says, isn't the Republican Brandon Carr was appointed to the position of chairman of FCC by President Donald Trump, whose son Donald Trump Jr. is an investor and board member of a drone company called Unusual Machines? Then just say, I didn't know your mom took Tylenol. So tell Scott to stop filming that stupid sunset with his Chinese drone that has terrible features like geofencing, remote ID, air sense, obstacle avoidance, safe return home, and more. Yikes, what an unacceptable risk of security. All jokes aside, it's laughable what happened. And it happened not only to DJI and Autel, it happened to all foreign drones and all foreign drone parts. And the only way the future drones or drone parts can be imported to USA is if it is approved by Department of War or Department of Homeland Security. By the way, they're not shy about admitting that this is done so they can catch up with the drones DJI released 3 years ago. But don't think this is all bad news. Because remember the days when US drones were flying in the skies like GoPro Karma for 2 weeks, then it got recalled forever? I'm telling you, these Chinese drones are so good that when I make videos about these, there's nothing scandalous happening. But do you remember Karma and how it was falling off the sky? Those videos were fun. The drones were falling down. They were in the stadiums, they were out of control, they were just flying around by themselves. We are going back to fun times. We're bringing back fun times. Now it's gonna be bigger, better, expect them to crash into properties, on animals, people, start fires, all that stuff is right around the corner. And for 5 times more the price or something like that. So if we're gonna fly American drones, I hope FAA is gonna change the rules, right? Because now they're not risk, they're so much better. I like to fly over some national parks, please. Thank you so much. Having said that, by the way, I don't care who makes the best drones. I wanna fly the best drone. So my question to you is this gonna create a bigger black market for drones? It's already here. Or will people be like, I can fly my drone anywhere anyways, so why do I care? If you're getting ready to comment, just because Chinese drones aren't spying now, it doesn't mean they're not gonna spy later. Tell me this, just because you're not driving your car over people now, doesn't mean you're not gonna drive over people later. So, should we arrest you? Well, thanks so much for watching and follow for more shenanigans.